Hi everyone, my name is Chef Nicole. Welcome to Cook School. Today I'm going to show you how to make mashed potatoes. This is what you need. You need peeled russet potatoes, milk, and unsalted butter. Also salt and pepper to season. You start off with a pot of bubbling hot water. You want to make sure that it's boiling. Add in some salt. How much salt? The water should taste like seawater. So just enough salt. And then the potatoes go in. 2, 3. So let the water boil and cover it. And we'll check on it in another 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes, let's check on the potatoes. Just have a knife. Use a knife, just poke the potato. And if it's tender, meaning the knife goes through easily, it's done. So you don't want to overcook the potatoes, if not your mashed potatoes will be gluey. So using a food processor, I'm gonna make mashed potatoes. Spoon the potatoes out and into the food processor. Add in a dollop of unsalted butter. I'm using unsalted butter because if you wanted it salty later, you can add in more salt. But if you start off with a salty butter, you can't take away the salt. Pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, milk, ½ cup. And if you want, you can add in a little bit more milk to make sure that the texture is just the way you like it. So just lock it in and turn it on. You don't want to overdo it because your mash will get gluey. So just check the consistency. A little bit more. So let's just check on it to make sure that it's not too gooey. Good. Take it out. Scoop everything into a bowl. And there you have it. Quick and easy mashed potatoes.